Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be packing for our upcoming cruise. So I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I'm going to be packing. I noticed that I already packed my suitcase, so I will be unpacking to show you guys what I did pack. Get what I'm saying? Okay, cool. So to start off, this is not so much of a packing item, but this is my jacket that I will be wearing to head out onto the plane with. It's kind of like a fleece material. I didn't want to pack anything bulky for this trip, so I am bringing that with me. I am bringing my fleece blanket for the plane ride. I bring this every time I travel. I don't know if it's out of habit, but I like the feeling of it. It makes me warm. And also my kids are going to be traveling with me as well, so just in case they need, to warm themselves up, I'll just let them use this together. Also, I will be packing my pocket camera and my business card holder just in case someone inquires on my business, because I am a travel agent. And usually when I have conversations, I always mention my business to people and they always ask me for my business card. With my wallet, this is I can't remember the term, but I'll write it in the description box below. But this protects anyone from any fraud. So like if you have your credit cards or your debit cards stored in here, I know that some hackers are able to just retrieve your information just from your wallet, so there's like a blockage that protects that from that. But I'll show you guys what I have in here. So right now I have my passport, my husband's passport, my kids' birth certificate for the trip, and our itinerary stored right in here. I got my pen situated here, got my license here, global entry, my travel agent identifier, and all of my bank accounts. So this is a really good wallet to walk around with, so that when we are checking in, it's accessible. So I really like it. It's really cute. And I got everyone a travel shirt, so we're all going to be wearing this. So I just kept it out of my suitcase so that I can access this easily. So this is what I'll be wearing to my trip. And now on to the actual suitcase. I will show you guys exactly what I have in the front compartment. So in here I stored an extra bag. I don't know if anyone knows these bags, but I remember when I went to Trinidad Carnival, I was overpacked and they were asking me for $100 for my checked-in bag. So they gave me the option to purchase a, like a carry-on bag to store some stuff in there so that my bag was not overweight, which came in handy. So I decided to put this in here so that just in case they feel like my bag is overweight. So I wanted to show you guys the best way I can showcase this. One of the items that I'm packing is my spray bottle, and it's not for myself, it's for my mom because she forgot to get one. So I'm just gonna give her this when I see her. This is my headband so that I can do my makeup. I usually put it on like this, obviously under my hair, so that my makeup does not really interfere. Just so you guys know, I did buy packing cubes. This is my first time using packing cubes and I love it. Before I would just like put my stuff in like big Ziploc bags, those bags that can push out the air. I forgot, like vacuum bags. So I was initially using that and I decided to purchase the packing cubes, and so far I'm really loving it because everything is like in perfect cubes. It basically fits the entire suitcase, which is perfect for me. One of the packing cubes that I did purchase, I got it from Burlington Factory, and its logo, it has this like the BB brand, which is cute. So inside of here I have my white loafers slash sneakers. I have some brown flats, white flats, and I have some like in-house shoes that you walk around in the house with. I have some gold sandals, and I have my water shoes as well. but just so you guys get an idea of what it looks like. So these are all of my items. The second packing cube that I have, this mainly stores my elegant nights or my going out nights. This is also from Burlington. It was a set of 3 that I did purchase, so it was that one, this one, and this, and I got it for $12, so it wasn't bad. I have like this jumper outfit that I got from Amazon, and it looks really pretty on. It's a little sheer, but I kind of like stuff like that. So I have this for our dinner, and then I have like a jumpsuit type of look that my mom actually bought from Fashion Nova, and I don't think she liked how it looks on her, so she gave it to me. So I was thinking maybe I can do a dinner in this, and obviously I'll show you guys what outfits I wore on the cruise, because I'm not gonna wear all of these. Also have gotten a dress from Pretty Little Thing. It's a slinky dress for dinner. It's a little big for me, but I'll make it work. So this is gonna be one of the elegant nights where they do like a ball theme. And then I have another dress as well that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I believe it was like $9. I can't remember, but I'll put the price because it was on sale. So this is something that I'll be wearing as well. So 2 gowns and 2 like, I don't know, dinner outfits. And then I have like a club wear. I've never worn this dress, and I bought it from Forever 21 like a year or 2 ago. So I have my pouch in here to store my items, and what I have in here actually for the moment, my waterproof bag for my phone, and this would be for my room key. So I just store that in here just for storage purposes. Packing cube number 3. I'm not really gonna go too deep into this, but this one is essentially my outfits for the cruise itself. So like what I'm gonna wear on a daily basis. Now, I would say I packed maybe 2 to 3 more items than I needed to, just in case. Just in case I don't make it home tonight. I got 1 outfit, 2. I have my all-white outfit because there's usually an all-white party. I'm gonna actually put this in my elegant bag. Technically, I have 8 outfits just to wear on the cruise, which you guys will see. And then I have some shorts for it. I don't like wearing the same shorts for every outfit, so I want it to actually look different while I'm there. Because I know a lot of people usually put like 1 or 2 shorts, and then they have like 1 or 2 pair of jeans that they will wear with everything. I didn't want to do that, so I bought like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of shorts, and that's just me personally. My last packing cube in here. So in here I actually have my sleeping wear, my underwear, my underwear, my bras, and my swimsuits in here. So it's not as full as the other bags. I don't want to show you guys my bathing suits because I'm actually going to be doing a bathing suit haul for you guys, and when that launches, you guys will know where I bought the items from. But for my sleeping outfits, I pretty much got all of them from Primark, and majority of the outfits were like $4. Well, the pants were like $4 and the tops were like $4 itself. I'm a person that sweats a lot because I have thyroid issues, so I don't like to wear the same night outfit every single night. Like, I need to wear something completely different every night. So I'll just show you guys one example of an outfit. These shorts, they're pretty big on me. I thought it would have been smaller, but I got these shorts and basically like a vest, or what do you guys call it, like a wife beater or something like that. So, and a wife beater. And that's majority of these. Pants, wife beater. So I have 5 night outfits. Wherever I got the pillowcase from, it was stored in here, and I kept them. So I put all of my underwears in here. I know I'm skinny, but I still use a girdle just in case. Because when you're on a cruise, I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you guys ever cruised before, but when you're on a cruise, you're usually like eating a whole lot. So you don't want your belly showing things that you just don't want it showing. Alright, so that's it for the packing cubes. So I packed 1, 2, 3, 4 packing cubes, and there were 2 large, 1 medium, and 1 small. Down to the smaller things. I purchased a laundry bag because I remember the first time that I cruised, I was basically putting our dirty clothes in like a big Ziploc bag. Got me a mini fan that you can use with your phone. Actually not your phone, your portable charger if you want to. I just got it just in case, like I'm like extremely hot, so I can use it. You won't have to worry about them taking this away from you. They're pretty much cracking down on a lot of things that you can bring on the cruise. So anything to do with like those long plugs that has like the switch, you cannot bring that anymore. Extension cord. I was trying to figure out exactly what it was called. So I have that, my little loafy, so I can wash my body with. And I actually bought this from Primark. It was like $1.50. I am bringing my share butter because this is life and it's goals. I do not like using lotions anymore because it's not healthy in my eyes. So I'm trying to crack down on some of the items that I use with chemicals, even though I still use a lot of things that has chemicals. But I'm just, you know, training myself to use things that are more natural. Got my heels packed. I brought these because I feel like these are kind of universal. You can use this with pretty much any of the outfits that I have packed. The other ones are my clear heels that's pretty much gonna go with everything. It's kind of dirty. I need to clean them. But I got these from Forever 21 last year, and these are clutch. They're very comfortable. I know I heard a lot of bad things about the Perplex heels. I don't get any cuts. These are pretty soft, so like I don't have any issues with that. So that's why I'm bringing them. And then my last semi-heel is these little platform, not even platform really, that I got. Where did I get this from? I got it from ASOS. I can't remember where I got them from. But these are so cute. I usually don't like shoes that look like this, but I tried it out and I ended up liking them, so I'm going to bring them on a cruise just to give me a little height. This is my makeup brush bag. I've had this for years. Like, I don't even know how long, more than 5 years. It's losing its life. And all of my makeup brushes are dirty right now, so I have to clean them before we cruise. But this is my makeup brush. It's really bad. Alright, so lastly we have my medicine / toiletry bag. This is not a toiletry bag that unfolds, unfortunately. I know you guys know about the ones that goes onto your doors. I always travel with this thing because I really like how compact it is. And I actually got it from Primark, so it's really clutch. And I'll just go over some of the things that I have in here. I have a lot of things in here actually. It's pretty heavy. And I plan to use most of them so that by the time that we're traveling back to the States, then it'll be done, it will be lighter. There's a lint brush. I have my Listerine in here. I have my anti-wrinkle pads for my eyes at night. I have my off sprays for the family. I have my body steamer. I'll further explain this in another video. I have my brow pomade for my eyebrows. I have some cool wipes just in case I need to wipe my little curly. Got my toothbrush and my husband's toothbrush in here. My makeup removal wipes. I have some Q-tips in here. You know, for the kids when they come out of the pool, I want to make sure their ears are clean so that they don't get any ear infections. I have some wet wipes for the hands. So you know, like these things are going to be used prior to me leaving. on the bottom, some of my stuff is falling out. On the bottom here, I have my face cleaner. It's actually a brush that, you know, cleans your face. And I have some body shower items, and I have my makeup palettes in here as well. So that's in there. I have everyone's Blistex, my lip gloss, my eye drops, lash glue. I don't think I'll be wearing any lash glues. Advil. I have my sunscreen in here. Now I'm putting my Got To Be glue to lay them edges, because that's the only thing that works well on my hair without leaving any residue. What else do we have? We have some panty liners in here. We have some moisturizer for your face. We have some shampoo and conditioner in here. We have your poopery, which is very important. I thought it was not going to work when I initially bought it for our first cruise, and it worked wonders. What else we got in here? My shavers. So we have our Tide to Go in case you have a stain. I don't know how well that works because I never had to use it, but I've always had this, so it was just one of those situations where I reused it. I have some lotions in here, and I actually have my foundation stored here, my Fenty and my Kat Von D, my mascara. I have my baking powders. I have my face mask, and other stuff is just more like medicine, toothpaste, my emergencies, because I use that every single day whenever I travel. So just for more protection. You're on a cruise, so you want to just like protect your body, especially with us talking about this whole coronavirus thing. At all costs, I try to protect myself. But these are the items that I've packed, and now I'm going to show you guys how I repack them.